We've been looking at Chapter 13, and so far we've finished Lesson 1, where we talked about physical changes. And as I pointed out before, in the entirety of Chapter 13, we're really going to be contrasting physical changes with chemical changes. So we're working on the first half of the chapter, really. Now, in Lesson 2, what we're doing this week and what we began last week is we're looking at a specific type of physical change, which is a mixture. So I'm just trying to bring you up to speed as to where we are and where we're going and how it fits into the big picture. So again, we're really looking at how physical changes and chemical changes are different. So specifically, we're looking at a type of physical change called a mixture. And to be prepared for the quiz, you just need to know a couple terms. And really, it breaks down into two different ways to look at mixtures, which again is a specific type of physical change. In a mixture, one way to look at it is how evenly a mixture is mixed up. So if it's an evenly mixed mixture, we call that a homogeneous mixture or a homogeneously mixed mixture. But you can also have an unevenly mixed mixture, and that's a heterogeneously mixed mixture. Notice they have the same ending. The beginning is different. Homo means same, and hetero means different. So if we're talking homo, we mean everything's mixed up evenly the same. Hetero, everything is mixed up differently. Again, this could be like a cookie if we're talking hetero, where you have some chocolate chips and some dough, but they're not spread out evenly. But if you think of a glass of milk, like you get from the store, hopefully it's homogenized or homogeneously mixed so that you can't tell at all everything you drink tastes the same. So that's one way to look at mixtures, how evenly they're mixed up. The second way to look at mixtures is based on particle size, or how small or large the parts that are in it are. So on the small side of particle size, we have a solution that has such small particles that they dissolve into a liquid. And on the larger side, we have what's called a suspension. And those particles are so big that they don't stay in the water. They end up either going to the top or the bottom. And then in between, we have what's called a colloid, which also has small particles, so small we can't see them, but yet they're bigger than a solution and they don't get dissolved. So again, this would be the case with a homogenized glass of milk. We'd have a colloid. So really, we have 1, 2, homogeneously, heterogeneously, 3, 4, 5, solution, colloid, suspension, 5 terms to know. However, when it comes to solution, it's also important to keep in mind there are a few terms when we really want to understand it. Solute is the solid that is dissolved into the solvent, which is the liquid. And that, when those things happen, when you have a solute, like salt, dissolve into a solvent, like water, you end up with a solution like salt water, but you have a solute and solvent. So those are a couple other terms that would be helpful to know because they will also be on the quiz. So there's the big picture overview of where we've been and what you need to know for this chapter, particularly as it relates to mixture and mixtures, which are the specific type of physical change that we're looking at in this lesson.